I just finished a reality TV show the other day. It's called Physical 100. It's a Korean reality show that takes 100 of the best Korean contestants and have them battle it out to be the fittest person. And the crazy thing about this show is that there are so many people that come from different types of professions. Like to name a few, there are wrestlers, rowers, Olympic level athletes that participate in this show. And the crazy thing is that there's challenges along the way that pit them against each other. And then whoever ends up on top is the winner. And it's not only to do with strength, but to do with endurance. Endurance, wit, whoever can outsmart the other player. And there's especially this one challenge that really stuck with me, that these contestants were doing squats, and they were trying to see how many squats they can do, like a AMRAP, like as many reps as possible. And the way that they competed is that each contestant will do as many reps as possible. And if you can't perform the lift with the pace the organizer has set, then you're out of the competition. And the crazy thing is that with every round, the weight increases until it got to like 200, 250 kilos, and everyone was still doing like 5 reps, 10 reps. And it got me thinking, I wonder how many reps I could do for like 100 kilos. And so this week I tried to do 20 reps on each of my squats. And the 95 did alright. It felt very fluid. 135. I'm definitely pausing here in my reps. It's getting a lot. Like there's a lot of volume that goes into it. I had another rep of 185 here, but for some reason the camera wasn't recording, so it doesn't show. But I was able to do 20 reps of the 185. But when it came to the 225, and that's where I struggled. And thinking about my applying Physical 100 to my workouts, I've noticed that I am nowhere close to being in the top physical form of where I want to be. And I think adding volume is also as pivotal as adding weight. Like having volume will get you further, but adding weight will have you becoming stronger. And balancing those two, and balancing depending on what you're going for, is very important. So everyone, so don't always follow every single plan that you see, but follow the plan that you have set in your mind. Like, think about what is your goal. What is your goal in this journey? Are you trying to be super strong? If you're being trying to be super strong, focus on increasing in weight. Are you trying to go for endurance? Maybe focus on doing repetitions. Keep going at repetitions until it becomes second nature to you. Realistically, I think going for 1 to 3 reps of a max weight I'll only be able to do that for one of the 3 lifts per week. And then I'm thinking the rest of the lifts will be somewhat moderate or maybe in the high rep range. So there's going to be a lot of moving pieces, a lot of reps to strength training involved in the coming weeks. Here are my splits. Ended up with about 15 miles this week. I think this is something more doable in my schedule, and I feel a lot more free in my running. That's it for this week, and I'll catch you in the next one.